is the home screen of the application. This is pretty much application here helps you generate AI music. You can use this application here to pretty much generate AI music. So here you can see a lot of AI music generated by other people on the application. You have the top or the global sounds on the application. You have the top English songs on the application. And you have some other section here as it relates to song as well. And down here you can scroll as well and see what other people have released on the application as well. And you can as well go ahead and listen to them. All you have to do is stop on the one, listen, and it will start playing in no time. As you can see, you can use the play option here to pause it and pretty much go ahead and play it. So I can swipe up as well to pretty much adjust the wherever I want music to play or wherever I want it to continue to play. All pretty much based upon you. You can as well share the music with your friends and family if you want to do that. Then if you like the song, and as well you can see pretty much what they have used to generate this music here. You have to the lyric section down here, and as well you can see at the top here the style that they have used as well. So all I have to do is pretty much tap on the copy icon here, and you'll be able to copy the style that they have used to create this here. And you won't be able to copy the lyrics. The only way you'll be able to copy the lyrics is using some other applications. Well, anyways, that's pretty much it for that there. And again, tap on the three dots at the top here to pretty much add it to my playlist. I can download the video or the image. You won't be able to download the song, however, so do keep that in mind. So a lot of other sections which you can explore as well. You have the top global song section here. You have the daily section. You have the monthly section here as well, which you can pretty much listen to any one of these songs. As I said before, all I have to do is just tap on the one I want to listen to, and that's pretty much it. So as it relates to you creating your own AI music, you can tap on this option here, and you have the lyric section. You can pretty much enter what you want as your own lyrics. And if you don't have anything in mind, you can always tap on this bell icon here. It will pretty much give you some information as it relates to you creating your own lyrics. So do make sure you follow the example so you can create better lyrics for your AI songs. As well, you do have the AI mode, which gives you lyrics as well if you don't have anything in mind, or it will just pretty much gives you a heads up as it relates to you creating your own lyrics. So that's pretty much it for that there. And in the music style section, you'll be able to enter the style of your music. As you can see, there are some preset options which you can use. You have the keep option, you have glitch option, and so forth, which you can use. And in the advanced section here, you have other things which you can enable as well. If you want a female or male voice sing the song, or you just want the AI to choose for you based on the song or the lyrics. And as well, you can see here you have the recording option where you want the song to sound as if the person is at a concert or is in a studio, whichever one works for you. And as well, down at the bottom here, you'll be able to name the song that you want to share it. So not just the lyrics mode, you have the smart mode, which you only need to pretty much enter the prompt or the description of the song, and it will generate based on that information. As well, you do have the advanced option here as well, which can enable a few features. So that's pretty much it for that there. And do keep in mind, it's not free. You're going to need a subscription to pretty much use the application. So at the top here, make sure your coins or currency as it relates to you generating your songs and so forth. As you can see here, they do offer a subscription. You have a weekly and a yearly subscription, and pretty much what to be getting with their subscription as well. So that's really pretty much it for that. And if you however need to find your subscription, you can always tap on this option here, or you can select this option at the top here to pretty much find the subscription page. So if I do tap on this option here, you'll be able to select this section here, or you can select other section as it relates to you creating your song. Let's say you want to create a wedding song, a nature song, you will pretty much find this section for that as well. As well, you do have the voice option. Let's say you have a voice that you want to use to create a song. You can pretty much tap on this option here, and you'll be able to upload the voice that you'll be using as it relates to the song. So that's pretty much it for that there. Over here, you have the option which can pretty much go ahead and check your liked. You can see your playlist section. You can see all the songs that you have downloaded, and as well, you can see the audience section here as well. So nothing much for that there. So that's really pretty much for this application here. From is anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. We'll see if we can help you out.